Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some news for you. Starting next weekend, we will kickstart a very new series on Salesforce Flows. But not just the usual stuff. This time we will be covering the most important but yet often ignored, overlooked and untouched topics that actually Salesforce admins and developers don't get around exploring. We will cover all the topics in this series. Why this series? You have probably seen plenty of content on the basics of Salesforce Flows, but what about those less popular techniques that could actually level up your game? That's where this series comes in. Whether you're an admin or developer or just a curious trailblazer, this series is for you. What to expect with this series? Each episode will be packed with examples, best practices, and tips that you actually won't want to miss. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to up your game, this series will give you tools, insights, and confidence to tackle even the most challenging automation examples. Objectives of this series. In this series, we want to highlight often ignored aspects of Salesforce flows like fault handling, error management, and advanced context. We will learn about mitigating flow-related risks. We will provide practical solutions to resolve common flow errors, improving reliability and performance. We will talk about how we can master flows deployment. We will offer insights and best practices for deploying your flows efficiently, ensuring smooth transition from development to production. And lastly, we will empower admins and developers. So brace yourselves and mark your calendar. I'll see you next week with the first video of this series. Till then, bye-bye, take care and keep learning.